Here's a quick rundown of today's top stories, Saturday, December 28th. President Marcos issues an executive order implementing the tariff schedule under the Philippine-South Korea Free Trade Agreement. President Marcos has ordered the implementation of the Philippine schedule of tariff commitment in compliance with the Free Trade Agreement with South Korea. In Executive Order Number 80, signed by Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin on December 23rd, the President cited the need to modify import duty rates on certain imported articles for the country to comply with the Philippine schedule of tariff commitments under the FTA. The EO stated all articles listed in the Philippine schedule of tariff commitments under the PHKR FTA shall be subject to the rates of import duties at the time of importation. The Department of Health monitors the rise in firecracker injuries and road traffic incidents. Over 300 cases of firecracker-related injuries and road traffic incidents have been monitored by the Department of Health during this holiday season. As of Friday, December 27, DOH monitoring showed there are 101 cases of firecracker-related injuries and 284 road traffic incident cases. DOH, together with its partners, launched the Ligtas Christmas sa Bagong Pilipinas campaign this month to promote safe and healthy celebrations during the holiday season. Tiangco tells Pinoys to keep children safe from firecrackers ahead of New Year. Navota's 1st District Representative Toby Tiangco is appealing to the public, especially parents of small children, to observe the regulations of the local government on the use of firecrackers this coming New Year. Tiangco's reminder follows a Department of Health report indicating that 43 individuals nationwide sustained firecracker-related injuries from December 22nd to 25th. In Navotas, 4 sustained minor injuries, including 2 children aged 7 and 9. Business leaders demand transparency in the 2025 budget amid concerns. Business leaders are urging a more transparent and accountable process in finalizing the 2025 national budget, amid concerns over budgetary adjustments and a lack of clear justification for certain allocations. One of the key concerns raised by the MBC is the allocation of a 1.1 trillion peso budget to the Department of Public Works and Highways, exceeding the Department of Education's budget of 737 billion pesos. The MBC noted that prioritizing the DPWH budget, which increased by almost 289 billion pesos, over DepEd's may violate the constitutional mandate that prioritizes education in budgetary allocations. Rains are expected across the Philippines on December 28th due to 3 weather systems, according to PAGASA. The Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration said on Saturday, December 28, that rains are expected in parts of the country due to 3 weather systems. In its weather forecast, PAGASA said that the shear line is affecting the eastern section of northern Luzon. The northeast monsoon, or Amihan, will impact the rest of northern Luzon, while the intertropical convergence zone will influence Palawan, Visayas, and Mindanao. Kike Linares scores in stoppage time as the PH Booters stun Thailand. Kike Linares stole the spotlight for the Philippine men's football team with clutch header to stun powerhouse Thailand 2-1 in the first leg of the ASEAN Mitsubishi Electric Cup 2024 semifinals at the Rizal Memorial Stadium in Manila on Friday night, December 27. The Phil Spaniard defender delivered the crucial goal in stoppage time that sent shockwaves to the more than 7,000 fans as it gave the Nationals their first ever victory over Thailand since the 1972 Jakarta Anniversary Tournament. For a moment, it appeared the game was headed to a draw after Sufanan Barirat scored an equalizer for Thailand in the 45th minute, roughly 24 minutes after Sandro Reyes broke the ice for the PH squad with a goal in the 21st minute. Israeli troops forcibly remove staff and patients from northern Gaza hospital, officials say. Israeli troops stormed one of the last hospitals operating in northern Gaza on Friday, forcing many staff and patients outside to strip in winter weather, the territory's health ministry said. The army denied claims it had entered or set fire to the complex and accused Hamas of using the facility for cover. The health ministry said troops forced medical personnel and patients to assemble in the yard and remove their clothes. Some were led to an unknown location, while some patients were sent to the nearby Indonesian hospital, which was knocked out of operation after an Israel raid this week. Stay updated with the latest news. Visit our website at www.mb.com.ph or follow us on social media. Thanks for tuning in to the Manila Bulletin Daily Rundown.